In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up Facebook Marketplace alerts. Open Facebook in a desktop browser, like Google Chrome, and click on Marketplace in the sidebar or top bar to enter the Marketplace section. Use the search box to enter keywords for the new item you're looking for. After searching, click on Notify Me located under the search bar. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a minimum and maximum price range for your item. Adjust the search radius if needed to specify how far you're willing to travel for the item. And click Create Alert to finalize your alert setup. To edit or remove an alert, repeat the search for your item and click on Edit Alert. Here, you can adjust the price range, search radius, or completely remove the alert as per your preferences. And that's it. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.